Kunal, today we want to talk about the brand value of a college. We'll not talk about CAT score, CET score, NMAT, all these things. I don't want to talk about the exam. I don't want to talk about the college life. I want to talk about the value of the brand. I don't know if you had this experience, but when I was wearing I'm Ahmedabad ki t-shirt and went on the road, when I wear a JBIMS ka t-shirt, by the way, I have a dual degree. I did my full-time MBA from JBIMS and my executive from IIM Ahmedabad. So whenever I wear the t-shirt, public पलट के देखता था एंड उसमें से अगर कोई लड़की पढ़ के देखती थी तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था यार आई एम अ इंजीनियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऊपर से लाइफ में कभी हमारे बैच में कोई गर्ल्स थी नहीं ज्यादा सो एनी इफ समबडी लुकिंग एट मी आई यूज्ड टू फील प्राउड एट दैट टाइम तो did you had those kind of experience and how you felt that? Let's start with that and then we'll go.
I have not been that lucky to have those experiences, but what I have been lucky in the aspect is that in terms of building a brand, now while I'm being associated with my college, like I am Bangalore before this IIT Madras or other like the workplaces that I what works best is because I have had this success, because I've been able and associated with this brand, I am looked as someone who can basically take certain responsibilities when someone, either my family, my friends, or whenever they come and approach me for a problem, they understand that I come from a place who have experienced it. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे कोई ये पूछे कि मतलब एमबीए क्यों करना है, वो लोग मुझे आके ऐसे पूछेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कोई और किसी के पास जाएंगे जिसके पास एमबीए नहीं है. वो एक ब्रांड का वैल्यू तब आ जाता है व्हेन यू आर एसोसिएटेड विद समथिंग दैट इज ऑलरेडी वेल नोन, बी इट इन योर कंपनी और बी इट इन IIM Bangalore. So now that like as you rightly said sir ki matlab when I wear a jersey, when I wear my merchandise from IIM Bangalore, it definitely helps more than other people seeing me. It makes me feel good because it is a indication ki boss मैंने hard work किया है, I have worked my whatever to come to this place, and that is the reason why I own this is something that I'm proud of. So what I basically think is, irrespective of what people say, some people think that अरे ये बंदा show off कर रहा है, ये बंदा ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, लोगों का काम है बोलना, but I know within my heart how much of an effort I did, how much कितने रात नहीं सोए हैं to actually crack where I am today. So I am proud to be wearing this merchandise, and that is all, that self satisfaction is what I need.
And this is why I want to record this video कि यार एक बार हार्ड वर्क कर लो. Once you are in that college, you are branded for life. And that's why I wanted to hear it from you, because that's the power of a brand value. Now obviously you can wear any t-shirt and that's branded only. So but once you earned it, there is no words for that to say how to say that. So how it helps you, when you are going out, do people approach you on the road also कि सर आपने के लिए कैसे पढ़ा?
कभी कभी होता है, but I think more than that, the brand value that works is, for example, we have a professor who was a roommate of Sundar Pichai. Now you see, in you cannot think that there is any way you can contact Sundar Pichai because Google CEO. Now because I am a student of this professor, say tomorrow I come up with a brilliant idea that of a product, or maybe I really want to actually talk to Sundar Pichai or something like that. All I need to do is, professor, this is something that I need, where I think we can pitch this to Sundar Pichai, and Google will be able to help and can change the world. All I need to do is go talk to this professor. The professor will directly call Sundar Pichai.
Achha.
A one-stop direct contact, networking, the alumni network that all the IIMs, top institute, top MBA colleges boast of. There is nothing that can match to that, because tomorrow at the end of the day, you do your MBA, you do whatever it is. Finally, network ही matter करता है. How quickly you can talk to people, how quickly you can get to a place is all through network. You know people, you get things done.
Exactly. I remember one incident. I'm Ahmedabad. We got a mail कि that Amul का lecture हो रहा है. Someone has come from Amul. ठीक है, तो हम लोग चले गए टाइम पास करने, कुछ था नहीं करने को, तो चलो यार अटेंड कर लेते हैं. एंड आई वाज सिटिंग देयर एंड सरदार जी इज गिविंग अ प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड मैं उसको देख के बोल रहा हूँ यार कहीं तो इसको देखा है यार, ये अमूल का हेड कौन है, कहीं तो इसको देखा है. सो देन आई रियलाइज ही इज द सीईओ ऑफ अमूल यार, RF40 CEO of Amul, and he's a very typical beard का कलरिंग, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कलरिंग. तो मैंने गूगल किया कि यार ये वही बंदा है, CEO बंदा खुद आ रहा है यार तुम्हें लेक्चर देने के लिए. And that day realized the value of being in IIM Ahmedabad कि भैया ये the very stupid example, of course, very small example to give, but these ये छोटी छोटी चीजें that made you stand out. So
Definitely. I think
speed,
I don't think this is a stupid example, because even in Vista, when in our business festival, we have so many eminent speakers like Mary Cooper CEO. We are even having some people from the government, some journalists, some top journalists. You all come give their speaker sessions, and we are able to interact with them. And now in their mind, it's not just about I am Bangalore, it's also about the fest that they have represented. So when we wear the merch of either Vista or of I am Bangalore, and suppose tomorrow we meet them in some event, they'll be like, oh, acha, you're from I am Bangalore. I remember coming to your college. I remember coming and talking to your students during Vista and everything. So that automatically, that's the starting point. Because tomorrow, let's assume I go and talk to Sundar Pichai and I don't have anything to say. I'm not like, hi Sundar, this is Kunal. What am I going to talk about? But if there is that brand connection, then Sundar Pichai or whatever it is, I can be like, I used to study under a professor who supposedly is your friend, and we connected. And that's where the conversation starts from and then goes. The small talk that we talk about. But that's the starting point.
Exactly. I also remember I was in Vista last to last year. And by the way, all the events are going on, guys. In case you want to participate, links are given in the description box. In case you want to buy the t-shirts or the polo shirts as well, you can also buy that. The link is all given in the description box. So I was in I am Bangalore ka Vista event, and there was talk going on, and Zivame, there's a brand, there's a ladies undergarment brand. So the CEO of that brand, or the head of that brand, was there, and she's talking about lingerie in general. And hum sab ha kar rahe. And she understood that kids are not comfortable with that. She said, okay, say the word bra in the hall. Imagine I am Bangalore auditorium. She is telling all 100, 200 people, say the word bra loudly 5 times. हम लोग बोले ठीक है. Now all the dirty minds, imagine your mom and sister also wearing the same thing right now. उसके बाद सबको समझ गया कि बेटा. So this is the another example to give you कि when you connect with it's not like brand, तुम bra, तुम soap बेच रहे हो, साबुन बेच रहे हो. It's not about the soap, it's about the branding, it's about the company, it's about the college. These kind of things need to change. और ये तुम्हें normal employees can't change that thing. You have to talk to the CEO only to understand these kind of things. And that day realize हुआ ना, वो फिल्म कौन सी मूवी थी, इसका कोई भी धंधा छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. So that way, so you end up talking to big shot people. So this is the value of MBA degree. This is the brand value. Let it be contacts, let it be merchandise. The merchandise is a very small example, the t-shirts. And now those who are preparing for MBA, like I have said to give 10 t-shirts to my student. So I need to talk to you offline about that, if I can get anything off t-shirts to my student. Anyone who performed best in a particular mock, so I want to give them as my goodwill gesture to my student, as a motivation. Yeah, so these kind of small. So those who are preparing for MBA, I want you to have anything of IIMs on your desk. जिस दिन पढ़ने को मूड नहीं होगा, जिस दिन करने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही, उसको देखो बस कि बेटा अगर ये कमाना है. वो ना कोट, जो कौन सी फिल्म थी यार, उसका कोट डालना है, इंडिया का कोट कौन सी थी यार, भाग मिलकर भाग डालो. कि अगर तुम्हें इंडिया का कोट डालना है तो बेटा मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी. And Jana, Jana is, trust me, not impossible. Yeah, you just need to get 100 marks. Out of 226 mark ka paper, you just get 100, 120, whatever you want to target. So number, which is 40% marks. Yeah. All our life, you've scored more than 60, 70, 80. एक बार 50% marks ला दो, you are getting a call from almost all the IIMs. Yeah. So great, yeah. So thank you very much, Kunal, and coming and talking to us.
Thank you. Wishing everyone a very good luck for your CAT and your preparations.
Thank you.